Did you know that the most expensive RV ever sold went for a jaw-dropping $3 million? That's enough to buy you a small island. And did you know that some of these mobile palaces are equipped with features like private spas, sky lounges, and even gourmet kitchens fit for a master chef? Now that's what I call traveling in style. So buckle up and hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss out on the luxury-filled adventure we're about to embark on. Let's roll. Number 1. The Marchimobile Element Palazzo Superior. With a price hovering around $3 million, this motorhome sets a new standard for opulence. Inspired by race cars, luxury yachts, and aviation, its aerodynamic design commands attention, boasting a glossy finish and sturdy build. Step inside to enter a realm of extravagance. The Palazzo Superior boasts a sky lounge that transforms into a private retreat at the touch of a button, complete with radiant floor heating and air conditioning. The master bedroom features a king-size bed and an adjoining spa area with a rainfall shower and skylight. Number 2. The Newmar King Air, a royal residence on wheels. This regal RV reigns supreme with top-tier amenities and cutting-edge technology. Built on a Spartan K3 chassis, it exudes grandeur with an aerodynamic profile and custom-tinted windows. Inside, the living area is furnished with Villa Ultra leather furniture, a 50-inch 4K TV, and a Bose sound system. The kitchen is a culinary haven with stainless steel appliances and polished quartz countertops. Number 3. Featherlight Vantair Platinum Plus, a timeless elegance on wheels. Among the most expensive and opulent RVs ever created, it showcases awe-inspiring custom paint finishes on the exterior. Inside, custom-made, high-quality materials abound, with Italian leather sofas, an entertainment center, and a kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line appliances. Handmade cabinetry and granite countertops complete the picture of luxury crafted by Featherlight coaches. Number 4. Prevost H345 VIP, where luxury meets mobility. The Prevost H345 VIP stands as the pinnacle of mobility, space, and luxury. Crafted by Prevost, renowned for their top-tier coach buses, this extravagant RV redefines opulence in mobile living. Its sleek design, complemented by a custom paint finish, leaves a lasting impression. As the tallest conversion coach on the road, it offers unparalleled views and ample storage capacity. Step inside to discover a spacious and comfortable atmosphere, boasting the highest deck and most underfloor storage available. The living area features handcrafted furniture and a cutting-edge entertainment system, ensuring relaxation and leisure of the highest caliber. Number 5. The 4Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach, a statement of prestige in motion. A perfect fusion of luxury, handcrafted elegance, advanced technology, and superior performance. The 4Travel IH45 Luxury Motor Coach stands as a sought-after symbol of luxury in the motorhome market. Testament to masterful craftsmanship and high-end amenities, the IH45 offers an experience akin to a luxury apartment rather than an RV. Upon entry, guests are welcomed by an environment replete with handcrafted furniture, a state-of-the-art entertainment center, and ambient LED lighting, fostering an atmosphere of relaxation and leisure. Number 6. The Newell Coach P50. In honor of its 50th anniversary, Newell Coach proudly presents the P50, a symbol of luxury and innovation in the motorhome industry. This distinctive coach from Newell Coach embodies a harmonious blend of handcrafted elegance, cutting-edge technology, and superior performance. With its custom full-body paintwork and impressive slide-out rooms, the P50 emerges as a masterpiece of grandiosity and design. The living area exudes luxury, featuring handcrafted furniture, premium finishes, and an advanced entertainment center. Number 7. Earth Roamer XV-LTS, where luxury conquers the wilderness. Prepare to venture off-road in style with the Earth Roamer XV-LTS, where luxury seamlessly blends with ruggedness to create the ultimate off-road camper. Hand-built by Colorado-based Earth Roamer, this all-terrain camper is purpose-built for off-road and off-grid adventures without compromising on comfort or luxury. With its robust off-road tires, substantial ground clearance, and military-grade materials, the XV-LTS is primed to conquer the most challenging terrains effortlessly. However, stepping inside reveals a world of high-end luxury, complete with a spacious living area, a compact yet functional kitchen, and a rare indoor shower in off-road campers. Number 8. Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ. When it comes to showcasing superior craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and uncompromising luxury, the Entegra Coach Cornerstone 45 DLQ stands above the competition. As Entegra Coach's flagship offering, this lavish coach embodies a level of sumptuousness that truly sets it apart. The living area is adorned with handcrafted furniture, custom ambient lighting, and a state-of-the-art entertainment center, rivaling any high-end home environment. The kitchen, featuring quartz countertops and luxury appliances, invites the inner chef to create gourmet meals on the go. Number 9. The Marathon Coach H3-1300. Prepare to be captivated by the Marathon Coach H3-1300, an exemplary display of top-tier refinement and design expertise. Crafted by Marathon Coach, a globally renowned leader in luxury bus conversions, the H3-1300 seamlessly integrates extravagance, technology, and performance. Upon entering, expect to immerse yourself in absolute extreme luxury, with the living space adorned in meticulously crafted furniture, premium finishes, and a cutting-edge entertainment center. The kitchen, featuring high-gloss cabinets and quartz countertops, is a culinary enthusiast's dream, equipped with upscale appliances to inspire gourmet creations wherever you go. Last but not least, number 10, the Liberty Coach Fairfield Edition. Introducing the pinnacle of tailor-made luxury and sophisticated elegance in motorhome design, the Liberty Coach Fairfield Edition. Representing Liberty Coach's dedication to luxury and comfort, the Fairfield Edition harmoniously combines luxury, technology, and performance to deliver an unparalleled motorhome experience. The living area is tastefully appointed with carefully handcrafted furniture, high-end finishes, and state-of-the-art technology, ensuring an ambience that rivals the most luxurious homes. The kitchen, a culinary haven, showcases quartz countertops and custom cabinetry, elevating every meal preparation into a gourmet experience anywhere the road takes you. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through the world of luxury RVs. Which one of these lavish motorhomes caught your eye the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button, share, subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications for more amazing content like this.
Until next time.
Happy travels and stay tuned for more adventures on the road.